Okay, Shravan. So let's see here.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will discuss the practice questions and practice problems based on
Okay, sir.
hmm,
So based on
lines and
lines and
angles. Based on lines
yes,
and
sir.
angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yes. Hmm. See, then the first question is, as it said,
Yes, sir.
in the below figure. Okay. Let me draw the figure. Just wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now everything is okay now?
Yes, sir.
See, as here the question said that in the given figure below, है ना? So first
Yes,
we
sir.
will draw the figure, okay?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
see. Uh, okay, it is like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. There is a line like this. It is here. See, now as you can see, this is the point O. Okay, here it's C.
Yes,
Here it's B,
yes,
and
sir.
here it's E, and here it's D. Okay.
Sir.
See. So it says that ki in the given figure, the question is ki in figure below name. Here we have
Yes,
to name it. Okay.
yes,
The
sir.
first is 5 point. We have to name the 5 point. What are the points you can see in the figure?
Sir, D, E, O,
Huh?
C, B.
Wow, very good. है ना? So here we
Yes,
will
sir.
write the 5 points are the five, okay,
Yes,
five
sir.
points are, what are they? So D,
Sir,
comma,
D,
we
E,
will write with
D,
comma,
comma,
E, comma
E,
O,
comma, O,
comma
comma.
C, and D. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
D. Now let's see the next question. Okay, a line. What we have to name? A line. Okay,
Yes,
LINE. Okay, so
yes,
as
sir.
we know that the first we have to check the property of line. What is the definition for the line?
Line is where it has no dot, no points,
Hmm.
and sir, it can stretch to infinity.
Infinity in both direction.
Yes, sir, in both direction.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and it has no any end point, right?
Yes, sir. No
So
end point.
can you tell me, is there any line in this figure which can be extended till infinity? Huh?
E and B.
A and
B.
where is A?
No, sir, D and B.
D and B. So we will not say it like D and B. We will say DB, line DB.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
We will say line DB. Okay.
Okay,
Or
sir.
or if you want to write it in a symbol way, you can
Yes,
write
sir.
like this. See here.
Okay,
You
sir.
can write like this. Here we will write DB, and above it we will give the symbol of line. है ना? So we can
Yes,
do
sir.
also like this. Okay? Or line DB. Okay? You have to write anyone. Either this one or this one. Okay? Is it clear? So you can see the line DB now. This is the from here. Okay? From here to here, when we will take this line, or when we will take this line separately, or when I will draw this line separately, it will be like this. See, है ना? It will be like this. Here is the D and here is the B. So it will be line DB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is said कि four rays. We have to give the name of four rays. Four rays.
Uh,
The third one is
sir, like
four
four rays
rays.
are
So first tell me the definition of four rays, or what do you know, to which to whom we will call ray. Definition of ray. Just tell me the definition of ray, or
the
tell me what do you know about the ray.
sir.
Hmm.
Since the ray has only one endpoint, the other end can stretch till infinity.
Very good.
That's how I know.
Okay. Good. So what are the rays we can say here?
Sir, it is line OB.
Okay.
Then
Line.
no, sir, ray
Ray na.
OB,
Huh.
and then
Ray
says
OB.
ray
Just wait a minute.
OC.
Let me draw it again here in this page, है ना? So
Okay,
it will
sir.
be more clear.
Yes, sir.
It is like this.
Yes, sir.
O C B and here D and here E. Okay. Now tell me. Four rays. What are the four rays?
Sir,
So
one is
here we will
ray OC.
ray OC. Very good. Then
Sir, after that it's ray OB.
ray OB. Very good. Then
Sir, after that it's ray
ray
OD.
OD. Wow, that's great. Good observation. Next one. Ray
Sir, next is ray OE.
OE. Wow. No, 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 no. How we can take OE? If we will take OE, it will be like this. See here. It will be like this.
Yes,
This
sir.
side E and this side O. So it will has two end point, na?
Yes, sir.
It will have two in point, right? But we
Yes,
have
sir.
to take that one which has one in point and one ray. So
Yes,
instead
sir.
of OE, can we take DE? Can we take DE? It will be like this. See here.
Yes, sir.
DE will be like this. Here it will be E, which is the end point, and in the D it will be extended point. Okay, extended
Okay,
side.
sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So we can
Yes,
say
sir.
that na Dre DE. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Now the
Yes, sir.
fourth one. Fourth one. What it is saying? Five line segments. Okay. Five line segments. So what do you know about the line segment? Just tell me.
The line segment is it has two endpoints.
It has two ends point. Very good.
So it cannot be stretched to infinity.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's it.
Okay. Tell me what will be the end points? Five in line segments.
So
Sorry.
the five line segments will be line segment OB.
OB.
Yes, sir. OB.
Okay.
So the next
So
one. So the next one will be line segment OC.
Oshi.
Yes, sir. OC.
Okay.
And so the next line segment is OD.
OD. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then the next line segment is OE.
Okay.
So the next line segment will be E and EB.
EB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But line segment we have to take na.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be one here we can say. Hmm.
OB.
Yes, so when we will take the OB, OC or OD like this, You can
Yes, sir.
see one of the end has arrow, right? Or one
Yes,
of the
sir.
end has extended side, right? So
Yes,
at
sir.
that time we have to not consider the extended time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Okay, sir.
extended side we have to not consider it. At that point we have to consider it as end point. Okay,
Okay, sir.
है ना? So it
Yes.
will be like this. 5 line segments are line segments are see here OC. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will be like this, है ना?
Yes, sir.
After that OB, or you can draw the line segment here above it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
OC above it. Then what we can say, OE.
Sir, OE.
OE will be also a line segment, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? And
Yes,
then
sir.
we can write OD.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can write DB also,
Oh,
है
yes,
ना?
sir.
Or
Yes,
EB,
sir.
DB or EB,
Yes,
whatever,
sir.
है ना? So EB. At this time, we will not consider the extended one. Okay, we are considering the just the point. Okay, so that it will be a end point. Okay, so like this, you have to solve this type of questions. Okay, first note down it, and then the second question you have to try it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Raman. So good, you have correct solved it correctly. And let's
Yes,
see
sir.
here. Once I will explain here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that it will be more clear for you. As
Sir.
here it is given like this. See, here is the point O. Okay, here is the point B, and here is the point A, right?
Yes, sir.
So the question says that ki here ray OA. Okay, it is given, right? It is starts at O, है ना? As you can see, it is starting from O. So O is the initial point, or we can say that O is the point or your ending point, है ना? You can say that it this at this side we can't extend it, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
it
sir.
starts its O and passes through the point A. It also
Yes, sir.
passes through the point B, as you can see here, right? So the
Yes,
first
sir.
question says that कि can we also name it as OB, है ना? Can we also name it as OB?
Okay.
And why? You have to explain it, okay? So
Sir.
as you can see here, when you will break it, it will be like this, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Here is the point O and here is the point B, right?
Yes, sir.
And here is the point like this O B, and here it will be A, है ना? Okay,
Yes, sir.
after B, when we will extend it more, then here there will be any a point named as A, right? But
Yes,
when
sir.
we will take till here this length, only this length, then this point will be the B. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So
Yes,
yes,
sir.
we can represent this one by OB, है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the second question says that can we write the OA, the ray OA as AO, है ना?
Sir.
Why or why not? Okay, this one we have to say. So as you can see that the representation of a ray is a specific representation, right? As here,
Yes, sir.
first we will write the initial point, है ना? Then we will write
Yes,
the
sir.
another point, okay? And give
Yes,
a
sir.
sign, write this, okay? So we
Yes,
can't
sir.
write it like this. Okay. It will show ki A
Yes, sir.
is the initial point and O will be the continuing point. Okay. Ha, if you
Yes,
want
sir.
to write it like this, you can write like this. Okay. But sometimes,
Okay, sir.
but this will be also wrong. You can say that ki this will be more better. Okay. This will
Yes,
be
sir.
more better. Okay.
Better. Yes, sir.
So this was the question, okay. Now the next questions, can you solve it by yourself, na? Now I think you got the idea, na, ki how you have to solve
Yes,
the
sir.
questions. They are
Yes,
too
sir.
easy. Just you have to, in some question, you have to name the line, name the points, name the segments, name to raise, like this, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in B, count the number of line segments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these things you can do, I think, by yourself, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
please do this one by yourself in homework. If there
Yes,
is
sir.
more question after this page, then please try those question also, and then
Yes,
we
sir.
will try it in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for today, that's all.